Millions of drivers now have dash cameras installed in their vehicles, and over the past few years, they've captured some amazing moments on video. A forest fire broke out in Fort McMurray, Canada, which forced an evacuation of almost 90,000 people. This driver recorded his dramatic evacuation on dashcam video. A sudden change in wind direction blows the fire towards the road, causing a panic. But the drivers continue on through a literal hell on earth. After a few terrifying moments, the drivers finally escaped the fire just in time.